Good afternoon, students. Hope you all are safe at home. Let's start today with the new topic of English grammar. Let's recap. Last time we had done the topics adjectives that compare and between and among. I hope you all have understood that both the topics very well. Now let's start with the new topic today. But before starting the new topic, students, I would like to show you all something interesting. Just see over here. Now see your sun and sun. Now what is the difference of both the words? See, the meaning of this sun means the star that shines, and this sun means a male child. Now just see the next peak, then I will explain you all. Now just see over here, deer means and deer. Now this deer means who is very close to us, who is very kind to us, very close to us, and this deer is specifies the animal. See the next peak, hair and hair. Now here hair means our body's hair, and here means it specifies itself as a animal. See the next one, 8 and 8. Now this 8 is the past tense of eat, and this 8 specifies the number 8, means it shows the time that it is 8 o'clock. See the next one, see your 1. The coin is 1 rupee coin, and this is 1, but we said same only 1. 1 means he has won the medal, means he has got the success. So just see one more example. See, that is the vision, sight, which we can see with our eyes, and this is the sea. Sea means ocean. 2, TWO2 and TOO2. Now TW2 specifies the mathematical number 2, and 2 means more, means which gives us more. Yeah, it's too yummy. That is 2. Now, from all these examples, all these pics, what we have learned, students, that there are some words that sounds the same, that pronunciation is same, but the spellings are different and they have totally different meanings, and such words are called as homophones. The homophones means words that sounds the same. Understood, students? I repeat it again. From the above examples or the above pics which we had seen, so many pics, from that what we have learned that there are some words that sounds the same, that pronounce the same, pronunciation is almost same, but they are spelled differently, but their spellings are different and they have different meanings are also different, and such words are called as homophones. Homophones means, in other words, words that sound the same is called as homophones. Understood, children? All of you understood the concept? Now I would like to show you all few more examples based on this. Just see over here. Heard. Now this heard is to hear. That means to hear. And this heard means it is belongs to a animal. Means it sounds the same, but the meaning and the spellings are different. Now see the another one, hear and hear. Now see, hear means to hear with our ears, and this here specifies the location, the place. Okay, see both the spellings and meanings are different, but it sounds same here. See the next one, week and week. Now your week specifies the days of the week, that is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And this week specifies the weak person, the ill person, the person who is weak, who is sick. Okay, see the difference. It sounds the same, but the spelling and the meanings both are different. See the next peak now. Peace and peace. See, peace means a bit of peace. a bit of anything, a bit of piece. And this piece, you can understand piece means piece. Understood all of you? See the next one, new, brand new. And new means new, which we knew it already, which we know it. That is, past tense of know is new. So I knew it. See, it sounds the same, but again here I would like to say the meanings and the spellings are totally different. See the example, one more example here, bear and bear. Now bear means it relates to the animal. This bear means uncovered, empty. Here allowed. Now here allowed means which gives us the permission here, and this allowed means to read it loudly. See the another one, whether. Whether means here we have, if we have a doubt or we want to choose anything, if we want to choose anything, do a choice. So weather, and this weather is related to the climatic condition. See the next one, scene. Scene means a sequence, a still, and this scene is vision, from which we can see. Sun. Sun means a male child, and sun, this is a nature, that means star that shines, sun. Blue. This is the past tense of blow. Blue means past tense of blow, or we can say which pushed something. And this blue is specifies the color, blue color. So again I would like to say that here it sounds the same, the word sounds the same, but the meanings and the spellings are totally different. That is our topic as homophones. See one more example, sail, sail. Now here sail means to travel in a boat or a ship, and here sail means to sail something. Wait, wait. Now your wait means to hold, just wait it, just wait to hold, and your weight means in kgs you can say, or you can say is your body weight. So both it sounds the same, but the meanings are totally different and spellings are also different. Now here again there means of or belongs to, and this there means to be or appear. There is a pen in my pouch. To be or appear, and this there means of or belongs to. Both are different words. It sounds the same, but meaning and spellings are different. See maid here. Maid means servant, male servant or female servant, and here maid means which has been created, which has been invented. See male person, male, which specifies the letters and all. Whole means full, and this whole means an empty space, an opening, an empty space. Send. Now this sentence means to send somewhere, to send somebody. And scent means this perfume, the fragrance, the perfume bottle. Now, if you have understood all this, let's move on to our activity part. Let's do the activity number 1 now. Pay attention here. See, put a tick mark for the correct words in the brackets. See the first one, come here, so that I can hear you well. Now, it is well understood that come here means it specifies the place, location over here. So we will take here HERE, so that I can hear. Here means I can listen you well. So we will take HEAR. Clear students? See the second one, we spent the whole day digging a big hole in the garden. Now here this hole means we spend the whole day. Hole means full day. WHOLE we will take, and here digging a big hole. Hole means an empty space, an opening, that is HOLE in the garden. Third one, I can't write with my right hand. Now very simple to understand this. I can't write. Write means to write anything with a pen or a pencil. That is WRITE. With my right hand. Write means RIGHT, with my right hand. Understood? Last fourth one, last week or week, I was quite ill and had become very weak or weak. Now last week, week means here we are related to a days of a week. That is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. The WEEK we will take. I was quite ill and had become very weak. WEAK. Weak means very weak. Understood? So here what we have seen in these four examples, that the sounds, words that sound the same but the meanings and spellings are totally different. See another examples, few more. There were eight chocolates and Mickey ate all of them. Now there were eight, E-I-G-H-T here, it specifies the number 8 chocolates and Mickey 8 means the past tense of eat is 8. So Mickey ate, A-T-E, all of them. Clear students? Now see the sixth one. I could see a ship sailing far out in the sea. Now I could see, see means S-E-E means it's related to the sight, vision. A ship sailing far out in the sea, S-E-A, in the sea means in the ocean. Now seventh one. I knew that she was wearing a new coat. Now here we relate to new. I knew means I come to know. The past tense of know is new, K-N-E-W. That she was wearing a new, N-E-W, new brand coat. Is that clear students? See the eighth one now. The doctor said wait. The doctor said wait, W-A-I-T means just wait, just hold there. Until I take your weight, W-E-I-G-H-T, until I take your body weight here. So, again here what we have learned in these four sentences, that the words that sounds the same but the spellings and meanings are totally different here. I hope you will have understood this activity number 1 very well. If yes, then let's move on to our next activity, that is activity number 2. Just see here in this activity what it is there. Select the correct homophones. Now we will select the correct one among these sentences. The wind blew the leaves. Now which blew we will select here? The wind blew, B-L-E-W. Obviously blew we will take here. That is the past tense of blow, the leaves. Okay. Second one, I will meet my grandparents today. Now here meet means which meet we will select? M-E-E-T obviously, because meet means somebody who comes to meet us. That meet, M-E-E-T. My grandparents today. Clear students? See the third one now. What did you buy or buy at the store? Now which buy we will see here? Buy means when you purchase anything. What did you purchase at the store? B-U-Y we will select here. Fourth one, my uncle always has a good tale to tell. Now here it is obvious that my uncle has a good tale. Tale means story. T-A-L-E. We will select here will to tell. T-A-L-E, to tell. Fifth one, we won the competition. One means, now here obviously one means who wins the medal, who wins the competition, means who gets the victory, success. That one, W-O-N, we will select here. We will take this one. Sixth one, grandma's favorite flower is the rose. Now flower means here, it is the spelling of flower is F-L-O-W-E-R. That is, rose means we can understand that it is related to the flower. So we will select F-L-O-W-E-R. We will take it to this one. Now seventh one, we are going to chop some wood or wood. Now here we are going to chop some wood, W-O-O-D. That is a part of a plant, part of a tree. So wood we will select W-O-O-T. See the eighth one, I felt weak after I worked the whole day. Now very simple, I felt weak means I am feeling little uncomfortable. W-E-A-K we will select here, we will take over here. After I worked the whole day. See the ninth one, butter is made from milk. Now which made? Made means which has been invented, which has been created from the milk. Means we all know that butter is being made from the milk. So we will select made, M-A-D-E. Clear students? See the 10th one now. Mary spotted a deer in the woods. Now which deer we will select here? Obviously DEER, because here we are related to the animal and deer is an animal. So we will select deer. So just take out to the word deer, DEER in the woods. Clear students? I hope you have understood this activity also, activity number 2 very well. If yes, let's move on to our next activity, that is activity number 3. Just see here students, all of you. Choose the correct homophones among these sentences. Now we will again choose the correct one among these sentences. First one, just see. The man touched the bear with his bare hands. Now the man touched the bear. Bear means your bear is related to the animal, BEAR. So we will take to the bear with his bare hands. Bare means empty hands, uncovered hands. Okay, BARE. See the second one. Did you hear the little bird that sang here? Now did you hear means did you listen? Did you hear the little bird? HEAR. We will take to HEAR. That sang here. Here means it is related to the location, to the place over here. That sang here. Clear students? Now we eat our dinner at 8 o'clock. Now we ate. Ate here is related to eating. Now this is the past tense of eat. Ate means ATE. So we will select ATE. Our dinner at 8. 8 means it specifies the number. It specifies the timing. 8 o'clock. EIGHT. So we will take to EIGHT. Clear students? Now fourth one. We are not allowed to read loud in the library. Now we are not allowed means we are not given the permission. We are not permitted. Allowed means that allowed. ALLOWED. So we will take to allowed. To read aloud, ALOUD will select here means to read loudly in the library. See the next one, fifth one. She was not sure whether the weather would remain pleasant. Now she was not sure here is related means she is still having a doubt. She is having a doubt. That is weather. We'll select that weather. WHEATHER. We'll take to this weather. The weather means here this weather is related to the climatic condition. Would remain pleasant. Understood? Now sixth one. The scene in the cartoon reminded them of something they had seen before. Now scene here means sequence. SCENE. We will select SCENE. That will take to scene. And the cartoon reminded them of something they had seen. They had seen means they had seen with their own eyes, with their naked eyes. So SEEN we will select here. Now seventh one, just see. My son is playing under the sun. Now my son means your son is related to the male child. So SON we will select son. Please stick to SON. Is playing under the sun. SUN. Sun means with star that shines. That is sun. Understood students, all of you? I hope you will have understood this activity number 3 also, and I hope you are very well understood today's topic, homophones, that is words that sound the same. Again I would like to repeat the definition of homophones, that words that sound the same but the spellings and the meanings are totally different are known as homophones. Understood students? I hope you all have understood this topic very nicely, very well. Okay students, thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.